Okay guys, so let's get started on the Escovitch sauce. The pickles, pepper, carrot, scotch bonnet pepper and onion. We're going to pickle them in some white vinegar, sugar, and a little bit of salt for taste. So let's get started. So for the peppers, I'm just going to julienne the peppers. You don't have to use pepper, you can just use onion and hot pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper. That's it. You use what you have. I'm just going to take this pepper and I'm just going to place them here like so. Then I'm going to cut the onion in circle this way. And I'm using 2 onions for this recipe. You can use purple onion if you want also, but I'm using the white onion because we grow up knowing just to use the white onion, so I'm doing what I was taught. But you can jazz it up and use your purple onion for a brighter and vibrant colors. And I'm just opening it up like so, like that, and then I'm going to place it to the side over there. Then I'm going to take the carrots. I'm going to julienne the carrot like so. I'm going to take my carrot, place it back like so together, see that, and then I'm just going to slice it down. Ooh, you have to be careful with this because the carrot is hard, so you don't want it to slip and mash up your finger. You just do like that. You don't want it too small and you don't want it too thick. So like you know, the size you think, like this, that is best for you. Pickle carrot, pickle onion, pickle cucumber. You can pickle as much things as you would like in vinegar. Taste is really good. And then for the scotch bonnet pepper, I'm just going to slice them. With the scotch bonnet pepper, you have to be very careful because you don't want to make the mistake and to rub that in your eyes, because boy, you can take out the seeds if you want, but I'm going to leave the seeds in mine. You just slice it down, and it's good if you have different colors also, like you have the red pepper, the yellow pepper, because it brightens up the color when it go together in the butter. See that? Okay guys, so to this pot I'm going to add some white vinegar, about a cup of white vinegar inside. And I'm going to leave that start to boil a little, like just make little bubbles in it, and then I'm going to add the hot pepper inside the vinegar so it can, you know, release all that spiciness in the vinegar water. So now I'm just infusing the hot Scotch bonnet pepper with the season everything inside of the white vinegar, inside of the water. Then I'm going to get myself a spoon and I'm just going to mix it together. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my carrots first. The reason why I'm adding the carrot first is because the carrot is a little bit harder than the peppers, so that is the reason I'm adding it first to the vinegar and the hot pepper. Like that, and then just leave that for just a little few minutes. So guys, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of white granulated sugar, and then I'm just going to mix this in like so, let it dissolve. Guys, the pepper with the vinegar killing me. When I tell you it killing me, it opening inside my head. And to that, I'm going to add the onions now to the pot, like so. And remember guys, you're not cooking the veggies because you still want them to hold this texture when they go on top of the fish, on top of that fried fish. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my peppers to the pot. And just stir it in or mix it in or toss it, whichever one you think is suitable for you. And look at that vibrant color. Look how beautiful it looks, guys. Just look. And when this sit and this marinate and you leave this, just put it in a bottle, leave it inside your cupboard or inside your fridge for 1, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Oh my God, you can't have enough of this pickle. Can't have enough. Impossible. And I'm going to leave this for like 4 more minutes and then that's it. So as you can see guys, it starts to simmer down. So right about now I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to leave it cool down for maybe like 10 minutes, and then I'm going to pour it in the bottle. See that? Okay guys, so I'm just going to take a spatula. If you notice, I have the rubber on there, and I'm just going to place all this goodness into a jar bottle.